Hi friends, welcome to our channel Easy Learning Lab. I am back again with a new video and a new topic. For notes are available in a description box. Subscribe my channel and press a bell icon for a new subscriptions and new videos. So friends, let's start. We have two commands, that is union and union all. There is a slight difference between these two commands. The union command is basically used to combine the data from the two tables. Just I will give you the practical example, like we have one bucket and we have some other bucket, two buckets. If we put all together, it will become a one. In one other bucket, it will become a whole combined set of all the bucket. Like we have a two sets and we combine these two sets into a one. This is known as a union. So there is a very slight difference between union and union all. So friends, union basically does not show the duplicates records, while union all shows the duplicates records. So like if I give you an example, if we have a table in which we have a 1 2 A table, and in a B table we have a 2 3, then if we do a union, it will give us 1 2 3, and if we do a union all, it will give us 1 2 2 3. So let's start with a practical example so you can better understand the main difference between union and union all. It was asked in many interview questions, what's the difference between a union and union all? So you must understand the concept of these both the commands. So let's start. I have just logged into my Oracle console, Live SQL console. I will create one department table there. So I have created a department table. It contains two columns. They are ID and second one is department ID, department name. Then we will insert I think I have to do department. I will just do department ID here. So I will copy all these scripts to tell you the difference between these two commands. If you have some doubts or some confusion, you can watch my previous video about DDL, DML and other SQL commands. So first I will create a department table, a very simple department table which contains department ID and department name. Then I insert 4 records into it. I've inserted 4 records, so 4 records inserted. Let's check whether records are being inserted or not. How many records are inserted? Select star from department. So what will be the output? We will get a 4 records in computer economics, finance and human resource. Now we will create one more table, that is department new. One table with the name of department new. It contains 3 columns: ID, name and the active. Why I have taken this column? To show you that while we are doing a union, the two tables should have exact same number of columns and same data types. Otherwise it will throw an error. We will insert the records into department new table. We will insert 5 records, 1 record more from other. Okay, select star from department new. We'll check the output. We have 5 records in our new department. See, 1 2 3 4 5. Now while I am doing a union, I am giving the column name. If you do a star, see what will happen. If I do a star, for just a time being, I put a star here and star here. Okay. So see, query block is incorrect number of result column. See, this error will be why? Because department table has only 2 columns and department new table have 3 columns. So when we are doing union or union all, it should exactly match the column. So the preferable is that you should put the column name so that there might be no confusion. Don't put a star. If you know the columns, then also don't put the star, you just put the names. Sometimes it happens that data types are different. At that point also it will give an error. Generally, the first select clause take the precision. What is the data type of this first table? That will be matches to a new table, the next table. So the exact the column where everything should be same. Like if department ID I have currently it is number. If first one is varchar, then second one also be varchar. If you put a varchar and then a number, it will give an error. So see what the output of union. Let's run this query. So we have 4 rows in our department table and 5 rows in our department new table. See what is output. We have a 5 rows because 1, 2, 3, 4 are duplicate rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 are also present in department new table. Only 5 is added. If we add one new record with department 6 into table first, will department 1 more. We put 6 and we put as engineering. We will insert it. Now we have 5 records in both the tables, but here in department table we have a department ID as 6, while there we have a department ID. So let's check what will be the output. So we have the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the records from both the tables. See, this 5 is not present in department table, but it is coming. It is present in department new table. While 6 is present in department table, it has not been present in department new table. So still these records are coming. Okay. So it is a unique records. Unique records are coming in the union. Then let's check what will be the output of union all. So same thing, only syntax difference is we are putting union all. Let's check. See. It has union all the records from both the tables. It has not checked whether it has been duplicated or not. It gives all the records from both the tables. So this is the fundamental difference between a union and union all. Try this practicing it. You will understand it. It's very easy concepts. So whenever do union or union all, think what will be the output you needed. You needed a distinct records, or you needed all the records from both the tables. So think before trying it. That's all, friend, for this video. See you in my next video. Bye, friends.